are open, I can drive over there and try to get it.
It'll float this way here in a minute. It's not sinking. Yeah.
I'm probably falling down on the video job that Daryl has demanded. It's not as loud as I remember.
It's not as loud as I remember either.
I wonder if he's done something different.
But you know
to
what?
it.
If you're on it.
Yeah. Well, it is loud when you're on it. Uh-oh.
Ronnie driving it. Can you imagine seeing that? Go across the water?
Probably good 70, 80. Doing a lot better than the last time I've been out on it, which was probably 5 or 6 years ago. Daryl says, want to get down a little bit more.